Hello friends, I am pitching here on financial inclusion service solution, which is a unique service solution in the area of microfinance. Here, I would like to differentiate my service with the existing platforms available in the market, and I would like to show you upon how unique it's going to be in its approach. At the first set, let me convey you that how we have worked upon in identifying different challenges that this particular service is facing at the present scenario in the market. To convey a few, microfinance major challenges are the customers are very smaller in size and do not possess any kind of formal credit history, neither do not have any kind of digital or financial literacy. However, they do not like to make any kind of collaterals in procuring the loans. They are charged with abnormal high interest rates ranging from 24% to 32%, and the sector consists a high NPS due to such issues. Finclu's strength lies in integrating the financial technologies with the people. Product would like to offer services to different types of institutions which are playing a dominant role in this particular sector, whether it is NBFC, MFIs, banks, and small finance banks, etc. To think beyond the credit system and be an effective implementation as the business facilitator. The simplifying procedures using Fintech in complete loan processing of these particular institutions, Finclu would like to bring a revolution in managing the entire credit cycle by bringing the linkages between the banks, self-help groups, and also try to extend it to reach to the sub-marginal farmers and small borrowers. However, it would like to take the help of the technology in introducing new features in its service through mobile banking, where the complete disbursement and collections process is going to take place with the help of mobile, and use of data analytics in extending the loans, which will help in analyzing the credit risk and low cost funding with the help of PPP board. It would also like to take the help of chatbots, call centers in improving the customer relationship management, and would like to focus upon improving the financial literacy of the customers by training them through different, irrespective of the services and benefits which it's going to provide to the end user, the customer. Ultimately, as an organization, we would like to look into and understand what's in it for us. So friends, let me try to clarify you different types of benefits which it's going to provide and the costs which it's going to save, the unique ways that you'll be able to serve the clients, products, staff, and services with the help of Finclu. So what I'm going to get from us is one free MIS enterprise account and one mobile app for delivering financial services at doorsteps of the customer, 24/7 access of our services with 100% electronic transactions from branch levels to the headquarters with an unlimited storage space and backup support. Let us understand what you'll be able to serve for this service. The expenses which you'll be able to cut down is going to be huge. Either it's on software development, management, maintenance. Apart from that, you'll be able to try to reduce the transaction time, transaction cost, and a complete transaction cycle. Finclu will also be able to try to differentiate the way you offer the services to the clients at their doorsteps through improving the delivery management process abnormally with the help of technology. Finclu will try to minimize the cost, whether it is in relation with acquisition, retention, or recovery management system through the internal process management system, in processing the loan applications with the help of eKYCs or vKYCs. Finclu will be able to try to use artificial intelligence in trying to manage the credit risk of the organizations through public credit registry geomapping, geotagging, planning, or data management. It helps us in managing the customer relationship management with the help of different call centers, chatbots. As we are all aware that the cash management is a major hindrance in microfinance industry that's going to be solved with the help of cash-free technology solutions, which is an joint venture company of Fintech. Let me try to give you an overview on different types of the advantages which the Fintech is going to provide and the features it has, like it's going to provide a robust credit risk management and empower the women in business through skill development and partnership programs, and apply fintech applications in the area of payment, settlement, deposit mobilizations, or insurance, etc. Apart from these advantages, it's also going to provide unique features like paperless loan processing system and FCNI technology in exploring the fastest mobile credit system and bringing down the interest rates with the help of PPPs. It's also going to coordinate among different types of stakeholders, whether it is banks, financial institutions, government agencies, in exploring the different types of opportunities present in this particular sector. Finally, I would like to conclude my presentation by revealing upon how it's going to be beneficial for the venture partners who are going to be associated with us in this particular journey by disclosing different types of opportunities present in this particular area and the potentiality of the industry in its further growth, because this is the only industry which is growing next to the IT or pharma sector at an average compounded granular growth rate of 40% per annum in the past and also in the future till 2025, with the mass adoption of UPI based payments, eKYCs, vKYCs or CKYCs and wallets. If India needs to be a 5 trillion economy, it is next to impossible unless this microfinance industry is taken care. Hence, the Indian government has initiated with its Mudra loans in trying to extend the loans for these micro customers. Although we made few steps in this regards, but there is a long way to go. When we look into the mobile money transactions itself, we expect that the India is growing at leaps and bounds. But if you look into the mobile money transactions, it is far less than the sub-Saharan countries like Ghana and Cambodia, to an extent of 70 to 90% of their GDPs. But in India, it's hardly 30%. So we need to understand that the size of the market is huge. So there are going to be enormous opportunities to try to earn through commission on loans, membership subscription fees, or pay-per-click on its advertisements, whether it is through insurance penetrations which it's going to generate with the huge customer base which it has. Nonetheless, it can also generate the revenues on the consultancy services, to name a few. However, the return on investments which will be possible on this particular investment is guaranteed to an extent of 24% per annum for the venture partners. Hence, I would like to end this presentation with a smile on my face, with an expecting that there will be a positive response to play a leading role in uplifting millions of low-income Indians in order to achieve the 5 trillion economy by the end of 2025. Thank you, one and all.